Moving to Europe is exciting, but moving with a scholarship, a fully funded scholarship, is even more exciting, especially for those who came from a not well-to-do family. They don't have much money to pay for tuition fee, or they don't have money to pay for tuition fee. So in this video, I'm going to share with you about a fully funded scholarship, all right, in which you can use to move to this country, in which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So ensure that you watch this video to the end. All right, the scholarship includes full tuition coverage, monthly stipend, and contribution to accommodation. The next intake regarding next year is going to open in November. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any vital point. All right, in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Breno, and we are changing lives. We drop videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or through studies or through any other legit way. So ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop videos. We drop videos every week, and please click the like button to support this video and share it to somebody. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So the main Hungary Government Scholarship is the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship Program, which provides tuition-free higher education in Hungary for students from specific countries, according to the University of Perth and the Embassy of the India, Budapest. But anyway, this is according to this one. Okay, this is according to this particular university and Embassy of India. Okay, but of course, they're not just offering this scholarship in this particular university. They're offering it in other universities as well in Hungary. Okay, applications are submitted annually through a specific online portal with selection made by both Hungarian universities and the Tempus Public Foundation, which means that this is a recurring application. It means that this scholarship is open every year. All right. Now, what does the scholarship cover? The scholarship cover free tuition, that is tuition-free education at participating universities. Okay, monthly stipend to cover living costs. Amount varies by degree level. That is, if you're applying for bachelor's degree, master's, or PhD, the amounts that will be allocated to you monthly differs. All right, it varies. Then contribution towards accommodation, either a free dormitory or a monthly stipend to cover your dormitory cost. Then medical insurance. The degree levels include bachelor's, master's, one Thai, master's, doctoral, and some non-degree programs. Okay, now what is the application process like? Applications are typically submitted through dedicated online level, through a dedicated online system, usually opening in November for the following academic year. All right, a specific call for applications provide detailed instructions, deadlines, and required documents. Applicants must ensure all required documents such as academic records and a statement of purpose are submitted by the deadline. Now, what is the selection process like? Nominated candidates proceed to a university level admission process. Okay, this can include entrance exams, interviews, and evaluations of academic records. So basically, you're going to apply online, and if you're nominated, then you proceed to a university level admission process, which is the normal admission process. Like it can include entrance exams, interview, and evaluations of academic records. Okay, do you understand? Now, the final selection is made by the Hungarian universities with results communicated by the Tempus Public Foundation. So from what I understand, you apply for the scholarship. On that same application form, you choose the university that you're interested in, all right? Then if the scholarship board find you worthy, okay, to participate, then you'll be nominated, all right, to proceed to a university level admission. And now the university will now carry on from there, and they are going to decide who's going to benefit from the scholarship or not. Do you understand what I mean? Because they say that the final selection is made by the Hungarian universities. All right. Now, what are the important considerations? Eligibility. Eligibility is based on bilateral agreement between Hungary and specific sending countries. So if your country has a bilateral agreement with Hungary, I think you'll be eligible. There are websites you can find that. You can find that information. Application documents. Carefully read the call for applications for the specific academic year to ensure all required documents are included and properly submitted. Now, for the letter of motivation or motivation letter, a strong motivation letter is a critical part of the application and should be tailored to the specific program and university. All right. The official website is here. This is the official website. In this website, you'll find out if you are eligible. That is, if your country is eligible to participate in this scholarship. All right. So I would advise you to check out this website. I'm going to put it in the description under this video so that you can check it out, navigate, and learn more about it. Okay, you'll find more information about the scholarship here. All right, and see if your country is eligible to apply for this scholarship. Okay. Yes, so that is it about this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And also, I've made other videos regarding scholarship applications in Croatia, in Estonia, Czech Republic, Poland, okay, etc. So ensure that you watch other videos, okay, so that you can increase your chance, because I won't just tell you to focus on one, okay. You need to apply to as many as you can to increase your chances of getting, or to increase your chance of getting the scholarship. All right, very, 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 very important. Okay, and please click the like button to support this video, and don't forget to share this video with somebody. Okay.
Living abroad for 15 years taught me this dark truth about migration. What they don't tell you is that millions chasing the dream abroad end up trapped in what experts now call modern slavery. I'm promised Breno, and I've lived across 7 countries. I've seen how the system works. Migrant workers are 3 times more likely to face forced labor. The exploitation is real, but here's what's worse: most people don't even realize they're trapped. That's why I wrote this book. For just $3, you'll learn how to spot these traps, but how to build leverage and create passive income streams that protect you. This isn't about scaring you away from opportunities, it's about equipping you to thrive. Get the book in the description or on Selar. Book a personal session with me if you need guidance. Subscribe, hit the bell, like and share. Disclaimer: this is educational content based on personal experience.